Are you passionate about technology and eager to share your insights? Starting a tech blog is a fantastic way to do just that, and even make money along the way. Here's a quick guide to help you get started and monetize your tech blog effectively. Step 1. Identify your niche. Focus on a specific area of tech that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This could be anything from gadgets and software reviews to cybersecurity tips or AI advancements. Step 2. Set up your blog. Choose a user-friendly platform like WordPress, Blogger, or Wix. Select a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Customize your blog with a professional theme and layout. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Write informative, engaging, and well-researched posts. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Use SEO techniques to help your blog rank higher in search engine results. Step 4. Promote your blog. Use social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram to share your posts. Engage with your audience through comments and messages. Guest posting on other blogs and collaborating with influencers can also drive traffic to your site. Step 5. Monetize your blog. There are several ways to earn money from your tech blog. Number 1. Advertisements. Sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense to display ads on your blog. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Partner with tech companies to promote their products and earn commissions on sales. Number 3. Sponsored content. Write posts or reviews for companies in exchange for payment. Number 4. Digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content. Step 6. Monitor and optimize. Use analytics tools to track your blog's performance. Pay attention to which types of content get the most traffic and engagement. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to continuously improve. Starting a tech blog can be both rewarding and profitable. By following these steps and staying dedicated, you can build a successful blog that shares your passion for technology and generates income. Start your tech blog today and share your passion with the world. Happy blogging! Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.